An Etsy shop has earned more than $300,000 by selling digital download patterns. I'll show you each and everything. You just watch the full video and implement that. So let's get started and see how AI can help us create a successful pattern business. The process is straightforward. It begins by using a text-to-image AI to create patterns. We will use an image AI called Midjourney, which generates an image from a prompt telling it what kind of image to create. Within a minute, the AI creates a brand new pattern from scratch, using specific keywords to get seamless pattern textures and high-quality images. After generating a pattern, we can sell it online since the image AI does most of the work. It's one of the easiest side hustles that you can start. However, before creating a bunch of random patterns, let's take a quick look at what kind of patterns are already selling and how much money we could potentially make. For example, the Old Market shop sells digital papers or seamless patterns and has made around $307,000. Their floral pattern pack has brought in about $1,800 from just one listing. Similarly, the digital curio shop has made over $3.2 million in sales, primarily selling seamless pattern textures. Selling a digital product means keeping around 91% of gross revenue in profit after the platform's fees and taxes. This business model is super easy since we are basically selling an upscaled Midjourney pattern as a digital download file. To join Midjourney, we need to head over to their website, click on Join the Beta at the bottom, and join their Discord server. We will need a Discord account to join, which is free. While we can use the Midjourney server for free initially, we need to upgrade to one of their paid plans to get commercial rights to the images we generate if we plan on selling our patterns. To make things super easy, we can create our server. We need to click on the plus button and hit Create My Own, give it a name, and choose For Me and My Friends. Then we can click on the Midjourney bot, click Add to Server, and choose the server we just created from the dropdown. We can access our server on the left side of the screen, which allows us to generate images without seeing other people's images. Once we have joined the Midjourney server in Discord, we can generate our first image. To make the first pattern, go to the chat box section and type a /, then choose Settings. Make sure that Midjourney version 5 is selected, then dismiss the menu and come back to the chat section. Type another / and choose the Imagine option. This lets us type in the idea for the pattern we want. After typing in our idea, add 2 dashes and the word tile to the end of the prompt to tell the AI that we want a seamless pattern. This step is crucial because without it, we won't get a seamless pattern. Click Enter and watch as the AI generates a pattern right before our eyes. It should make 4 pattern options for us and give us some new controls at the bottom. The button on the right will re-roll our same prompt and give us 4 new images. The bottom buttons will create more look-alike patterns. If we like one of the examples above, we can click the corresponding upscale buttons to make those images larger. To be honest, we are done at this point. This is a seamless pattern that we can repeat as much as we want. However, we can do a lot more with our prompts to get better patterns. Type a / to open up the settings again. From the settings page, we can decide how much stylization or creativity we want the AI to have. For example, a low stylization will generate the image very literally based on the prompt, while a high stylization will add more of the AI's own creativity to it. Select one and dismiss the settings by hitting Dismiss. Now we can run the exact same prompt with 4 different stylization settings to see it happen in real time. The images on the left are very simple patterns based on our prompt, but the further we go to the right, the more stylization and creativity the images have. This can be a great way to get more unique patterns. For me, I usually like leaving the stylization on high or setting it back to medium, and then adding my own value of about 500. This is the easiest side hustle because if we remember to include the dash tile at the end of our prompt, we can generate our own patterns. Let's explore how to generate comparable Etsy patterns. While the patterns we've generated look great, let's see if we can create watercolor patterns that look similar to the ones that are already selling well on Etsy. I'm going to give more details about the type of pattern I want in Midjourney and see what it can come up with. If it generates a batch of images that we don't love, we can click the re-roll button we talked about to try the same prompt again. Now what we do is go to Midjourney, and we could ask the AI to generate retro hand-drawn mountain patterns, vintage patterns of skulls, cute cartoon character cacti, or even an image of floating lanterns in the night sky. If we click the upscale image, we can open it in the browser and save it to download. If we plan on giving this a shot, we might want to know how to fix any graphical errors that Midjourney usually creates. To do this, we can open a free website called Photopea, which is a free Photoshop alternative online. We can drag the image in and use the Spot Heal tool on the left side of the screen to correct any imperfections. When we're done making edits, we can click File, Export, and export it as a PNG. It will save all the edits we made. There are several different ways we can monetize these patterns. The easiest way is to sell the file on a platform like Etsy as a digital download. There's almost no prep work since we're just selling the upscale Midjourney artwork. We just have to make it look nice in a listing so people would want to buy it on Etsy. We can also use a platform like Printify to choose products and upload our pattern to the product. We can make sure to click the Create Pattern button, and now we have a pattern on the product that we can sell using the print-on-demand business model. This means that once we've uploaded our pattern to something and posted it on our Etsy shop, Printify will take a blank version of that product, send it through a printing machine that will print our pattern on it, and then package and ship it directly to our customer. Printify even integrates directly with Etsy, so after we create a product with our pattern, we can post it directly to our shop ready to buy. The downside is that it costs about 20 cents per listing on Etsy, which can add up. Alternatively, we can start this side hustle completely for free on a website like Redbubble. We can just upload our pattern and it will automatically apply the artwork to all the products they offer. Obviously, it won't look good on some of them, so we'll have to disable those. But some items like this phone case already look great. We can also make the pattern work on things like the shower curtain. If we click on the Edit button and select Choose Pattern, we can click on the regular grid, which turns our AI-generated pattern into a repeating pattern across the entire product. We can do this for any product we want to sell on their website. The best part is that it's completely free to list our products for sale, meaning we could generate hundreds of products and post them to all the products on Redbubble. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. By subscribing, you'll be notified every time we upload a new video, so you never miss out on valuable tips and tricks. Plus, it helps support our channel and motivates us to create more high-quality content. So, hit that subscribe button and like this video to let us know you appreciate what we do. Thank you for watching.